Okay, dekat lah. Shall we begin the discussion now?
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Okay. Today we are going to talk about the best activity that should be carried out during Nature Week. What is your point?
In my opinion, the best activity for Nature Week is to organize a camping trip to a forest reserve. This activity benefits us by allowing students to experience and understand how important is the ecosystem and protecting Earth to us. We can understand how the forest ecosystem works and also organize a hiking activity so that we can identify the flora and fauna. We can organize this activity at the Frame, which is a forest reserve in Malaysia, where human activities such as logging is not allowed, thus making the nature still preserved till today.
I disagree with Amy's point that organized camping trip to forest reserve is the best. She said that this activity could make us experience the nature ecosystem. But I think organized a recycling day is better, even the best activity for the nature week. Why I stated this statement is because during recycling day, we can practice 5R, which is reduce, reuse, recycle, replace and replant. By this activity, we do practice while protecting the nature. I think this point is better than Amy points. Experience the nature ecosystem is not enough. We need something that can protect the nature. So, I think organized recycling day is better than organized a camping trip because it is more effective to protect the nature. How about you, Chi? What do you think?
You could be right. However, I think that tree planting activity is most suitable to be carried out during Nature Week. Trees cover 1/3 of the Earth's landmass and perform vital functions around the world. It means that trees give many benefits to the nature and environment. It can absorb carbon dioxide gas and provides oxygen gas to the atmosphere. It acts as a habitat and food for most of the animals. Besides, trees can reduce global warming and greenhouse effect by cooling down the global temperature.
Sorry to interrupt, Chi, but I think replant the tree is not enough. It's still good for the nature as you said just now, but that tree gives us more oxygen, reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide, but it still cannot reduce the level of pollution. Pollution is still the same. Maybe in some times, the replanted tree will die before they grow up because of this pollution. Lot of pollution are happen right now, like water pollution, air pollution and land pollution. Tree planting activity will not increase the quality of aquatic habitat, of course. It doesn't affect at all. And I think recycling day could reduce the pollution by practicing the 5R activity.
Why do you say so? Because I believe that even though it's still planting small trees, it still provides oxygen, which also still helps in the pollution level in the world. And trees does not grow in one day, so we still have to start early, thus making the forest reserve, which is decreasing nowadays, more and more important to us.
Alright, listen, take note. What I want to say here is about the 5R activity. During that activity, we could help and cooperative to clean up college area, including the drain especially. As we know, the drain has many rubbish and wastage. Meanwhile, we also can campaign the using of degradable plastic. We have known that effect of using undegradable plastic. It took a million years to disintegrate. It will affect the ecosystem. So, by this activity, we could reduce the usage of undegradable plastic and use the degradable plastic to save our ecosystem.
I agree, but having conscience is still important. If they do not know the importance of these activities, will they even bother to do it? I think that going to a forest reserve can allow students to realize the impact of human activities on the world nowadays. And these activities may eventually destroy the humans. I believe that my activity may give a sight on students to improve the extractive management of the forest in the future.
I suppose you are right, but tree planting activity also can bring awareness of conserving the nature. Tree planting activity provides an opportunity for community involvement and empowerment that improves the quality of life. It brings people together to protect the mother nature. Furthermore, tree planting is an activity that involves in action instead of just understanding and being aware.
I agree with what you said just now. We need more action instead of awareness. But sorry Chi, again, I disagree with you that we need to organize the tree planting activity. I think organized recycling day is the best, which includes action and awareness. In the same time, we could reduce the quantity of wastage, reuse all the things that could be thrown, recycle waste to be very useful product to us. Replace and replant the tree that Chi said just now is in this program. It include in the 5R activity.
Okay, now I totally agree with Syah's point. This is because, like Syahh said, the tree planting activity is also included in 5R, which will be practiced in Recycling Day. Organizing a recycling day also can bring consciousness to community and teach them on how to apply 5R in daily life.
Well, it's true, and recycling activity can also be done easily in the school because we have recyclables almost everywhere in school. Newspaper and aluminum cans can be brought from students or teachers' home, and the plastic and plastic bottles can be collected from the school canteen. Plus, all the teachers and students can participate instead of just a small group that plant the trees or go to the forest reserve. And I think that most of us agree that Syahh has relevant points. Do you have anything else to add on?
No, nothing.
No, if not, I believe that we can conclude that based on the discussion that the recycling activity is the best activity to be held in the nature week.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you.
Alright.